Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name at the top. This accesses your Apple ID. Once done, scan the screen for media and purchases and tap Subscriptions. This step shows active and expired plans. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID if you use multiple accounts, otherwise subscriptions won't appear. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. This first action gets you directly into the list, so you can review charges and renewal details. Now tap a subscription to open its detail page. You'll see the plan name, price, billing cycle, and the next renewal date. Once you inspect those fields, decide if you want to change tiers or cancel. The Edit or Cancel option lets you switch plans or stop auto-renewal without waiting. Also look for trial expiration so you're not charged unexpectedly. If a family member pays, confirm which Apple ID is billed to avoid mistaken cancellations, or finish by confirming any cancellation or plan change. You should receive an email receipt, so check mail. Once done, verify access in the associated app to make sure changes took effect. If a subscription is missing, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. That refreshes the account view. If billing looks wrong or an item still doesn't appear, contact Apple support with screenshots and the purchase date. They can reconcile charges and restore access when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.